Terrors.
Whatever.
Deadly Natter. Too spiky. Monstrous Nightmare, the most lethal dragon in the known world. Not just anybody can handle one of these bad boys. I'm not just anybody. Okay, feeding time is bonding time. Bond with this. Uh-oh.
Okay, we're gonna need a diversion to get a closer look at whatever Dagger's building.
The flaming funeral pyre on my flaming funeral pyre ship should do the trick.
Oh, hold on. I thought we were burying the two of you alive. Fine, I'll start gathering wood.
Yeah, and I'll start gathering pyres.
I meant to do that.
Is it me, or did a tiny little snot lout and hook thing just fly in?